Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we was down at Tesco's the other day and we're going to get some plants, some fuchsias and some nemesias. Now these are real nice smelly plants, smelly, very fragrant, and it's all reduced to 50p. Amazing, eh? So I thought I've got 6 nemesia and 4 fuchsias. I mean, they're quite healthy looking plants. Maybe alright, a little bit dead on that one, but soon pick it off. And what we're going to do, these will be for the hanging baskets. The couple that have had it, the old geraniums, they can all come out, and this will go in. They're can tolerate a little bit of frost, so it doesn't matter if they're left out. Same with the fuchsias, and they should be quite nice. I'll get them done in the next day or two. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye then.